This is Monster Truck Classics, and thank you for tuning in, fans, to this review of the Hot Wheels Monster Trucks Classic Crashers. This was from 2022, last year. I was putting it off. I didn't know if this exclusive Bigfoot bite would come out as a singles, but I'm glad that I purchased this. There is 4 other monster trucks included in this set. This is the big one, Big Bite, or Bigfoot and Snake Bite put together, and it is like the fangs of Snake Bite getting into Bigfoot. Very interesting design that they did. Let me go ahead, and there you see where the 2 fang spots are on the hood of the Bigfoot truck, and the venom going throughout the body. I am not going to open this. I'm going to just keep it as is in the package, so hopefully we can you can see it. Doing the best that I can here. So there's a side shot. There we go, a close up so you can see it. Here is the side of the package, a very nicely cartoon design of Big Bite or Snake Foot, whatever you want to call it. There it says Snake Foot. Maybe on the other side it says Snake Foot and then Big Bite. I honestly don't know. That's very interesting. We go on to the back of the package now. Here is the Classic Crashers, and we get the Camaro, the Hot Wheels 50th edition, the Hot Wheels 50th anniversary. It looks like Dodge Charger RT. There's Bigfoot Bite. We get a Bone Shaker. And then also in this, we get Roger Dodger. So this actually went up in price, just a couple bucks at Target. This was, back in 2022, it was $19.99. And then it went up to $22 something. So I should have bought it back then, but like I said, I did it. But anyways, I got it. Hopefully, you know, it did. I'm glad that I purchased it. And you can see the other trucks. There we go. Inside. Thank you for tuning in to Monster Truck Classics.